All right, they got me walking.
How's you crazy for this?
In all of life, there is a rhythm.
Got me walking across the whole city. God damn. I got the address. Didn't bring me here. Woo. Oh my god, it's so fun. Burger, say hi to the camera. She's mean, guys. What force is this? Should have pulled. Guys. God damn, GPS don't got this address.
GPS off the map.
Oh my god. What's up, bro? How you doing? Brandon.
We met like years ago.
Probably.
You know your brother long hair.
I did.
Exactly.
Fucking brick. Alright, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of Food Groups of Friends. We have Cooking for Compadres. Today I'm invited to Mulatto's house.
Prado's good.
Prado's house. We're in Fred Home, Providence. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna I'm gonna replace that word. So we're at Prado's house. We're in at Wells Ave in Providence. So today we're gonna make cheeseburger pockets.
Let's get it.
He's wearing a shirt that says Nasty Nas. And this is Edgar. This is Jamal.
What's good,
this is
I'm Burger.
Cheeseburger. The whole theme of this episode.
This episode is dedicated to her. All right, so we can just get started.
All right, cool. What's first?
So
do it.
we're gonna season the patties. So I have like regular beef patties. I'm just gonna mix it up, combine it, flavor it, and then we're gonna cook it up and make our stuffing for the pockets.
So real drink.
Oh shit.
That's like
What we cheering to?
you.
All right. That's to me.
Oh, that was cute.
To me.
That was cute.
Food Groups of Friends.
Oh. Damn, that tastes good.
Okay, no, that's you.
Oh, since you're here, you might as well just peel the burgers and just drop them in here.
Really?
Yeah. There you go.
I gotta actually like do stuff.
That's what I'm gonna say. You need a big bowl?
Enough bowl. A bowl big enough to fit my
All of them?
No, just one.
Go, of course. Joking? No, they get all of them. What the fuck?
She should be painting right now.
Guatemala. Really, she looks like one of them old niggas and burglar niggas.
She like the guy from the McDonald's commercial.
Yeah, that nigga. Hamburglar! Oh my god, you're fucked.
Where's the picture?
Different though. That's like fried chicken. I can't live without fried chicken.
Really?
Jamal can't do that.
Ooh, raw burger for burger.
I'm okay.
You know you like it.
So right now I just dice up poblanos. We're just adding salt to it. We're just seasoning it so we can cook it up. That's all I have.
So nothing.
Oh, that was cooking? Can you throw one of these cubes inside my
Absolutely too.
You won't?
You can do that. Yeah.
I fucked that up. I don't know what
Yo, just make sure you get it in the pan.
Sure.
Yo, just in the pan. Just get it in the pan.
Get it in.
Oh shit. Which
Get
one?
it in, Jamal.
Which one? Which pan? I wonder.
Something's burning. God, what the fuck? Burning.
This nigga is not Spanish.
No, I'm not.
Shut up.
Only one.
Sorry.
Smell the water boil.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Multiple times.
Were you born in America, bro?
No.
Oh, nigga.
Don't cut it out.
Yo, but let's be real. I'm proud of this girl right here going to marches and protesting and shit for what she believes in.
For labias and uteruses and all types of crazy shit.
Yo,
I
man,
ride for my dog.
Nigga, if anything, we ride for union. I was like, yeah, free the pussy. I was like, wait, what? Are we actually freeing the pussy?
No, I feel like me. I'm like, oh my god.
It's okay. Everything's cheaper for you. Shoes, all that shit. Children's Tylenol, children.
Arriba.
Fuck all y'all niggas, honestly.
I'm gonna eat burger and put her fingers in here.
Hey, yo. She's used to that. Get up in there.
Only 2 fingers, please.
Hey, Berg, don't act like that one time at band camp.
Wash your hands first.
First of all,
That one time at band camp.
Wash your hands.
We want some like authentic Guatemalan flavor.
I need that authentic.
Wait, so you wanted to spit?
that's what he said.
I
You've been drinking tequila the entire night.
Yo, like, I'm just drinking because I'm bored. I'm not gonna lie, whoever did this tequila ginger ale shit, this is a dangerous thing.
With that stuff potatoes, so we're gonna saute the onions and the potatoes together with the beef. And it's gonna go inside the pocket. So. All the stuff mixed up.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, you push me up this chair. Get them fighting.
I don't know if this is the one.
I don't think so.
Kick the leg. Kick that
No.
thing. Kick it.
I don't think this
You said, I don't think you should do that. I don't know.
She's trying to kill you.
Relax,
You're not looking good.
No
Shut the
choppy.
fuck up.
No choppy. Yo, put that.
Hey,
Yo, what do you
hey.
put on my Dutchess, bro?
Are you mad?
No.
Put a cape on you. You're gonna be Superman.
I only have one.
All right, Brandon. What we doing now, bro?
So right now I'm about to saute the vegetables. So we have onions, we have diced peppers.
Nah, you
We're
can
gonna
have
saute
one.
this. We're gonna mix it with
It's just crazy.
the potatoes, and then that's gonna get stuffed into the pot.
For
Yeah,
my
All right, cool.
with the burger meat, obviously. You know what I'm saying?
Got you.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Oh shit.
About to get down, Charlie Brown.
Oh, you wanna come saute this? Okay.
How many tattoos do you have?
50.
That's a lot.
I got it.
All right, B. So, what do you do with these over here? Are you gonna bake them, or
Oh shit.
are you gonna fry them?
So no, we're actually gonna stuff them, and then we're gonna throw it onto a pan and sear the sides so we can melt the cheese. Or we
Okay.
can bake them as well. But if we put them on the pan, we get like a nice color on the pita bread.
Word,
That was
word,
a
word.
pan that had tinfoil. That doesn't matter. I feel it. But
But what's your preference? Like, what's your actual
so I've only
preference?
done this once, which was last night. That's a test run. We can bake them, but just baking takes a little longer. You know what I mean? We gotta put
Word.
the meat. It might dry out the meat a little bit, but
Word, word.
I don't really have a preference.
Anything that's like pan seared, like, is pretty much good.
You get colors outside.
He's gonna leave.
He's gonna charge you.
He's gonna charge you.
Look at that. Look at that.
Should have been done.
What are you telling? Oh wow.
Go burn it.
Shut up.
Go burn it.
It's not burning.
Talking to him.
Can we like get a plate? Yeah.
You can.
You want your collar plate to like grass?
Toast on the side.
Shut up.
Yo, stop talking like that.
Don't talk to me like that.
Shut up.
You heard him.
You heard me.
Shut up.
Wait, is there one without cheese?
Yeah. There's one
Who doesn't like cheese?
So did you really rip this?
Egger.
No, bro. Really? Did you rip this? No.
That's debatable.
I'll eat out the pan too.
Alright.
Yeah, put it right. This one for everybody, I believe.
Yo, describe your finished product, homie.
So my finished product is made by Burger. She stirred it up. She poked holes in the bottom of the pita breads.
Oh wow,
dripping.
she did a lot.
So that's what it is. That's the finished product. Look at it. Can't you tell?
Shut the fuck up.
I got burger love. Berg, how you feel about this?
I don't know yet.
Say something for the camera. Oh, ew, you nasty.
Oh shit, my shit fell apart.
There we go. Oh my god.
They got ketchup packets if anybody wants some.
Oh, I swear.
I steal them everywhere.
White guys deli.
White guys, who's deli, your deli.
Everybody's deli.
What you doing over there, Nick?
Mind my fucking business.
This is supposed to be a pocket, but when Burger was like,
Shut up!
Yep.
she started and then she poked holes and then jerked.
That was you. You did that shit. That wasn't me.
That's not for you, but I watched it.
Right? It was her, right?
Fuck y'all.
It's your fault. I mean, it is your fault. I mean,
Good job, bro.
the silence of everything. You ain't talking. No one's talking. You're scraping the pan.
That shit went quick.
That nigga scraping the pan. Look at he did it all the way around. You got method.
Go ahead, bro. You know you want it. Go ahead.
Just eat it.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Cause I know, nigga, you been eyeing that shit this whole time.
Yeah, I watched it. She's like,
Go ahead.
38 mine.
Fuck y'all, nigga.
Yeah, in 17 seconds, my nigga. She's like, it reminds me back home.
Keep talking shit, Jamal.
Back when I had tortas for breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this Asian shit?
I don't even know how to respond to that.
Yo, dead ass. Come on, Nick.
But I'm just
This looks like
saying.
American shit.
No, it's Asian
We
shit.
don't use potatoes.
You niggas don't eat potatoes.
We eat potatoes. We don't use it to cook Asian food.
My sister mom Asian.
My sister.
How the fuck you gonna tell the Asian that it's not Asian food?
My
So
sister
Asians don't
mom
use potato,
Asian.
huh?
She use potato.
Or what? Mashed potatoes?
An omelet.
Mashed potatoes.
You better finish that. There's a hungry dog over there. Not gonna eat that.
How'd you like it?
Don't tell me what to do.
Bueno.
And Henry
You gonna throw that away?
Don't you fucking
Cool, how'd you like the food?
Oil, nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you, man?
Fantastic.
Niggas in Africa, wait, give me the plate, man.
That melted.
Here we go, here we go.
Yo,
Kids in
get out.
Africa
There we go.
starving.
Can't grab it.
What about the kids in Vietnam, bro?
I didn't hear.
I didn't say all that.
I got what you're talking about.
It was the same. Somebody needed it.
Don't talk to me.
Which one? You want a Heineken? Or you want a Stella?
I'll take a Heineken. I'll take a Heineken.
Harpoon?
Yo, hey, can I get a Pip Tall?
Harpoon?
What do you use it for?
Yo,
Is Harpoon a twisty?
niggas
Nah.
dusted that.
On the table.